At this point in pregnancy, if you've already had children, you have developed your second set of arms, maybe more. So this isn't an important lesson for you particularly. If this is your first baby, then there's really not much that you can do in terms of exercising what happens when you have a second set of arms. However, the most important thing to do is to do two things. One is watch other mothers and fathers who have young babies. Pay attention to the ones that have newborns, the ones that have that 2-month-old kind of smiling baby, the ones with the kids that are on the ground, maybe rolling over, maybe up on their knees but not crawling. Watch how moms and dads hold these babies and watch how they then hold babies that are sitting or standing. And you'll notice that parents become more comfortable over time with how they hold their children. And also notice how much stuff you have to have and how much stuff other parents have and how they seem to juggle things. We've all seen pictures of babies on their hip and a woman talking on the phone and then stirring the pot with the baby still there. What you want to do is to just become observant, because you are going to be like that. So the second thing that you want to do is to try that. Get a doll or wrap up a towel or something, put a rubber band around each end so that it pretends to be a baby, and then hold that and pick up other things at the same time. If you feel awkward, you have not grown your second set of arms. So there isn't really any reason for us to give you a further lesson at this point between conception and 12 weeks. You have them if you have kids, and you don't have them if you don't. So now's the time to observe and to play around with the fun of what it's going to feel like when you feel more like an octopus.